Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on 3-button navigation on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, system settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the Gestures option. Tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the Navigation option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this 3-button navigation is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose the 3-button navigation option to turn it on instantly. Do you have to change 3-button navigation? Select Settings, then see 3 options: back button on the left side, back button on the right side, or hold home for assistant. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.